Hey guys, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. I so appreciate you watching these videos. I try to put them together each week to let you know what's going on in the real estate industry and specifically the mortgage industry. Hey, this week, I hope you can go to my website at www.mikemunzing.com, pull up my rate sheet. I often mention that, but the rates have been coming down. They're looking great. I bring that up because I've been getting a number of calls from my realtor friends saying, hey, could you help my past client, this client, that client? The rate is such, and I'd really like to get them down to a lower rate, because our job is to help our clients, even if we're not directly selling them a home, getting them in a better financial position. Who knows? Maybe they'll be able to buy another home. But rates are great, whether they're going from a 30-year fix to a 15-year fix. Call me at 949-689-5626. I can help them get the best rate out there. I've been a broker out here for nearly 30 years. So I've got my wholesale rates direct to the banks that are not out there in the streets that you don't hear about, and they are fantastic. I can beat most every direct lender out there, and I can close these loans quickly. My last loan I closed in about 18 days with TRID, all that going on is great. Go to my site, get that done, let me know. Also, if you're holding an open house and run into a new buyer, have them call me as well. What I am finding out there is with this whole TRID situation, a number of folks have been asking me questions about it. I want to bring back a video that I put together a number of months ago. It should help you regarding TRID when you're out there. This is what your buyers are having to deal with now. I want to bring it back to you. We've been hearing about it for a long time. It's coming out of the CFPB. But now that I've been doing all this research about it, I've been hearing horror stories for months. Let's take a look at the loan estimate real quick here. A couple things to be aware of. We'll bring up the top of the page here. It's got the details on the borrower, some of the top details on the loan here, but down below, it really breaks down the term of the loan. It's a 3-page form. They're consolidating the good faith estimate and the truth in lending statement that your buyers get, so we can break that down. But the interesting part is over here on page 2. Now, as a mortgage broker for the last number of years, if you may not have known that, but the brokers have been at a little bit of a disadvantage. The brokers have had to, I always jokingly say, open their kimono, basically expose every dollar, really break down what we're making to every penny, but the banks did not have to. The lending world, the government said, we're going to penalize the brokers, but not the banks and the direct lenders. So the brokers really had a tough disadvantage there. But with the new TRID system, CFPB came back and said, that's not fair. So the borrowers will see, which is critical, the borrowers will see what they are going to be paying. Whether it's myself or B of A or Wells Fargo, Chase, whoever, we're going to be disclosing the exact same fees. Of course, mine will generally be lower because as a broker, I get wholesale rates. Lower fees, quicker turn times. It's fantastic, but this will really break it down. I'll bring up the loan cost right here. You can kind of see it broken down. It'll be a lot cleaner. But then we have the next box down here is the services that the buyer cannot shop for. So it's got some interesting rules there. Down below, the closing costs that the buyer can shop for, escrow and title. Next on the right side of the form here, on the top is all the other costs. These are the interest and impounds and everything else up here. And down below, it breaks it down real nicely into the cash to close area. Really lets the buyers know what they have to come in with. It breaks it down from their deposit, if there's any credits, and just exactly what they have to come in with. Now, page number 3 here, we have just other information. You've got a 5-year comparison or a 5-year breakdown on the loan so they can see what's going on here over 5 years. And then all of the other parameters of the loan down on the bottom portion here to really inform them. These 3 pages give them just amazing detail in a consolidated form as to what's going on. You can see it even has the APR here right in the middle, which is kind of where that truth in lending statement comes in. Now, in a coming video, I will break down the closing disclosure, which will really break it down. Now, that's the form that our buyers have to have 3 days prior to them signing their loan papers. All of us need to work together on that, but we'll make it through. As I've done a lot of detailed research, we're going to be okay. Now, I tried to match the background and the coat and the shirt. Hopefully I did a good job, but that was a breakdown for you, a little bit from the past, but we're heading into a beautiful weekend. Be sure and have your buyers call me if they're interested. If they're looking to save some money, looking to get the best rate out there, I'd love to be there for you. So have a great weekend. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country. Let's work together. Love being here for you. Bye-bye.